Celebrate Partnerships is our annual celebration of all those business, community, and civic partners that contribute to Fairfax County Public Schools and our county programs and services. Nominations were accepted throughout the early spring. We had more than 55 organizations were nominated for awards, and they don't know until the celebration begins who the winners are in each of the categories. There are 5 categories on the school side and 5 categories on the county side, and today they'll be learning who were selected by our judges and received their awards.
Celebrate Partnerships is a great way for us to say thank you to the people who give and get involved in this community. Building relationships is what partnerships is really all about. This is another way to strengthen that relationship, a great way for us to celebrate excellence and say thank you.
We could not do all that we do in Fairfax County and in our schools without the support and participation of our private sector partners through volunteering, through pro bono contributions and financial contributions. And we feel that it's really important to recognize and celebrate these, all that they do for us.
Benefiting the community is really what partnerships is all about. If you just looked at one specific partnership and broke it down into all of its parts and said, how are the people involved getting and giving, and how is this helping everyone? You'd be amazed at all of the different ways. And you know, I'm often, I guess, not surprised, I'm happy when I hear that the people who are giving say that they're getting just by giving.